Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the Settings panel because this is where stored site permissions live. Open your browser or the operating system's privacy settings now and make sure you are in the account that granted the permissions. Once there, navigate directly to Site Settings or Permissions so you can see the list of allowed sites. This step matters because you will remove entries from a managed list rather than changing temporary prompts. Now locate the section labeled Allowed or Always Allow to continue. Now you will identify the specific website to change. Use the search field to type the domain or scan the allowed list until you find the site entry. Click the site to expand permission details so you can see what was set to Always Allow. Choose Remove Block or Reset for that site. Removing rescinds the Always Allow rule while blocking enforces denial. Make sure to confirm any prompts. Some systems ask you to save or apply changes. Once changed, the site returns to default prompt behavior. Finish by verifying the change. Reload the website and test the permission, for example, camera, microphone, or notifications. If the site still behaves as allowed, restart the browser or clear cache and cookies, then test again because cached permissions can persist. Additionally, check settings sync or account-level policies that propagate permissions across devices and remove the entry there if necessary. Troubleshooting tip: if a managed profile or enterprise policy enforces the setting, contact the administrator since you can't override those locally.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.